Download the Florence City Schools app today.
These Florence High School health science students are getting a hands-on experience with equipment they could potentially use in a future medical career. The funding for the equipment made possible by a Northwest Alabama Resource Conservation and Development Council grant. Health science instructor Nurse Heather James says the application submission focuses on healthy habits for a healthy future.
The grant that we applied for was to supply equipment for our classroom that could benefit our students to help teach the content for the health science program so that we can keep our students up to date with current equipment that they will be utilizing after they transition into their next steps after completing high school.
The equipment purchased includes an exam table for physical assessments, hospital beds, a vital sign monitor, and a Doppler machine for vascular assessments.
We want to be able to utilize small types of equipment that maybe aren't common in a hospital setting, but they know what they are once they get exposed to them.
James says the new equipment will benefit health science students for years to come.
I think it's excellent to be able to show our students that we have state-of-the-art equipment that is equivalent to what they are going to be utilizing in their other programs in a post-secondary opportunity, and that way they are used to some of those things and it's less intimidating for them and they feel confident in their training skills.
And in true Falcon spirit, the students have a message for the Northwest RC&D Council.
Thank you for giving us our tomorrow today.
For Florence City Schools, I'm Jeremy Jackson. We are Falcons.